بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
سبح اسم ربك الأعلى.
Glorify the name of your Lord, the Most High.
الذي خلق فسوى.
Who created all things and fashioned them in good proportion.
والذي قدر فهدى.
Who determined and guided them.
والذي أخرج المرعى.
Who brought forth the pasture.
فجعله غثاء أحوى.
And then made it into a blackish straw.
سنقرئك فلا تنسى.
We shall make you recite, and then you will not forget.
إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى.
Except what Allah should wish. He knows all that is manifest and all that is hidden.
وَنُيَسِّرُكَ لِلْيُسْرَى.
We shall ease you to follow the way of ease.
فَذَكِّرْ إِن نَّفَعَتِ الذِّكْرَى.
So render good counsel if good counsel will avail.
سَيَذَّكَّرُ مَن يَخْشَىٰ.
He who fears Allah shall heed it.
وَيَتَجَنَّبُهَا الْأَشْقَى.
But the wretched will turn away from it.
الَّذِي يَصْلَى النَّارَ الْكُبْرَى.
He will be cast into the great fire.
ثُمَّ لَا يَمُوتُ فِيهَا وَلَا يَحْيَىٰ.
Then he will neither die in it nor live.
قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَن تَزَكَّىٰ.
He who purified himself shall prosper.
وَذَكَرَ اسْمَ رَبِّهِ فَصَلَّىٰ.
Remembering his Lord's name and praying.
بَلْ تُؤْثِرُونَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا.
No, but you prefer the present life.
وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَىٰ.
Whereas the hereafter is better and more enduring.
إِنَّ هَٰذَا لَفِي الصُّحُفِ الْأُولَىٰ.
This indeed was in the ancient scrolls.
صُحُفِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَمُوسَىٰ.
The scrolls of Abraham and Moses.